today's episode of Python Papi. We're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Yesterday we did some light reading concerning our interactive.py file that we're going to be working in. And today we're just going to go everything we went over inside the actual contract. So you can see here first you have my contract. This is going to change. This is from the last time I ran it. So this is the old contract that we're going to be using. We're going to update that once we run our contract once more. We're going to get a new contract to work with and interact with. And you can see here, this is the script we're going to be using. It's the same exact script from the deploy favorites.py file, so nothing changed here. We're still using RPC, the Ethereum RPC, and so on and so forth. So everything looks exactly the same. The only difference is that you see here in my contract, and this is the contract address that we're going to be interacting with. But again, this is the old one that I had, so we're not going to be using this particular one. We're going to actually deploy our contract one more time, probably tomorrow. We're going to deploy it one more time, and then we're going to get the address that we deploy from that deployment, or that we get from that deployment. And we're going to bring it over here to the interact.py file, and we're going to interact with that address. So stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.